We guide you through how to fix iPhone storage full. First, go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage, and wait for the system to load your storage breakdown. You will immediately see which apps, photos, and files are taking the most space. Start by tapping Offload Unused Apps to automatically remove apps you don't use while keeping their data safe. Next, open Photos and delete duplicate pictures, screenshots, and unnecessary videos. Then don't forget to go to Recently Deleted and permanently erase them to actual free space. After that, open Messages, delete large attachments, old conversations, and turn on Auto Delete Old Conversations. Then, check apps like WhatsApp, TikTok, and Facebook because they often store hidden cache, delete and reinstall them to clear junk data. Also go to Safari settings and clear history and website data. And finally, restart your iPhone to refresh the system and update storage changes.